How to buy monopolygo dice. Now this is just a quick tutorial, so we'll just head to it and access our monopolygo application. Now from here, all I have to do to purchase a dice is just simply tap this money icon right here. This is usually located at the top right here. So you can choose to buy a dice and you can choose to buy a money. You can choose either a 30, an 80, a 180, 425, 1400, or maybe 3200 dice. Now, if you purchase, for example, 80 dice, you'll have at least 5% more on your first purchase. So if you want that option, just simply press on any dice that you want. Now from here, you can go ahead and try to use any MasterCard, any debit card. You can also try to add a credit or debit card if you haven't set up one yet. You can also pay at a corner shop, maybe through 7-Eleven or any convenience store that offers these kinds of payments. You can pay via the Shopee Pay. You can add your GCash account, Pay Maya, and you can also add through your PayPal. Now, once you have successfully set up your payment method, all you just have to do is to make the payment confirmation, and your dice will automatically be visible on the upper right hand of your phone. So that's how easy and quick you buy dice on Monopoly Go.